Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Happy New Year to everyone that's watching the video. I hope you all did have a good Christmas and a New Year. It's currently a little bit into 2020 at the minute as I'm filming this, and I'm also sorry about the quality because I'm sat in my car with the interior light on. Doesn't do any justice really. But I thought I wanted to just quickly make this video to wish everyone obviously a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. I wanted to explain to everyone what sort of plans I've got for 2020, and like obviously where I want to go with the Beamer, where I want to go with the Starlet, which is actually right there at the minute. I'm currently gonna start it because it hasn't been started in a little while. Hopefully, I don't know where to hold this phone, but hopefully it starts fine and everything goes all right. But to be honest, I'm going to get it out there quickly. The fact is that I've got two projects that I want to be filming on this channel at the moment. All depends on how eager my cousin is really, but as you guys that may watch the videos, obviously we went and picked up an Audi A3 2 videos ago, I believe. Yeah, I think it was 2 videos ago. He's currently trying to get that running and put that through MOT. I want to sort of film the progress on that, and he's also got a Polo. Not sure what mark it is, I can't actually remember, but I know it's the box shaped Polo. It's an older shaped Polo, and we're going to be turboing that. Not a dodgy way. He's actually gone legit. He's bought like a decompression plate. He's bought a proper turbo manifold with a turbo on it. He's got a downpipe. He's got all the things that he needs, or that he thinks he needs. And we're going to be hopefully doing that at some point when we find time to sort of get together and do it. I'm going to film that. I obviously do want to film stuff on the Audi as well with him. We sort of like, we've said that already, that we want to film that. And obviously the Starlet. Now, everyone is going to look at me like, even people that I speak to in real life, and I know you're out there watching this, looking at this, thinking, oh dear, here we go again, something else with the Starlet. The Starlet I've had for almost a year. It's got to have been almost a year now that I've had it just sitting here. I've never really decided anything to do with it. I've never really put it up for sale. I've had a couple of people want to buy it but not actually buy it. They've been like, oh, I'll come back in 2 months and things like that. I had a friend that wanted to buy it, but then something else come up and got in his way, so he couldn't get it. But my cousin, yet again, has a supercharger, and he's willing to let me fit that, or try and piss about with trying to fit that to the Starlet. Now, in my head, I'm thinking, the Starlet's just sat there doing fuck all. It's not going to sell very quickly. I'm going to have to redo the MOT on it if I want to sell it anyway. So I'm thinking we might just stick a supercharger on the Starlet, just because it's not going to cost me anything, and it's sitting right there. There's loads of shit I want to do. So I can make a complete, like, full wrap job on the Starlet as well, because my boss has already told me if I want, I can grab any random colour from work and do the whole Starlet in different sorts of colours, just because it'd be funny. And it's tempting, but it's finding the time to do all these things, because me and my cousin live an hour away from each other, so them things sort of get put on hold by that. I get put on hold by this because I don't really fancy sitting at the work. I don't fancy sitting at work all day long and then sitting at the workshop all night as well, and just other things. I know it seems like I'm making up excuses, but these are things I want to do, and if I had the time, I would do them. But 2020 is where I want it all to kick off. So I'm going to stop procrastinating, and I'm going to find time, and we're going to get shit done, hopefully. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully it's not, bah, I can see it's almost 5 minutes long right now. No cuts, nothing. I'm going to leave it as that. I'm going to upload it as that, and I will see you in my next video. Don't know what the fuck I'm going to name this video. And I want to stop swearing as well, because that's bad. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to go start the Starlet. I hope you sort of enjoyed this video, so you know a little bit as to what I want to work towards this year. Obviously, the things I've said aren't everything. They're just the main things that I've said about. I want to get like a low line kit for the Beamer. I want to do stuff to the Beamer as well, but with that it costs money, so it's back and forth with that shit. Anyway, I swore again. I'm going to leave it at that. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified when you do see a video go live. You never know, might be Supercharging or Starlet or Turbo in it. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.